Hey, this is John Young. I've got to do a little project here to take a cord off an old oven here that we have, an old stove. We're going to take the cord off and then send it down to be recycled. But I wanted to kind of talk to you just a little bit about this. These are multi-tip screwdrivers. There's two different brands here. I've got a Milwaukee, and then I've got my Lennox here. These are both available at Home Depot, I think is where I picked them up at. Especially during that Black Friday time, you can find great deals on different tools. Now, you can buy kits, screwdriver kits, that have all the different screwdrivers with all the different tips, whether you've got a Phillips tip, like we're seeing right here, or if you have a standard tip. And then there's other screwdrivers in there that have the square head, and then you might have there it is right there, a star bit, depending upon the names. I'm not going to get technical with that. But overall, the multi-bit screwdrivers like this have a few features that are kind of cool. Now, the Milwaukee's got some additional flexibility than what the Lennox one does, but it has your tips you can change, and then you'll see right there that there is a little kind of a nut driver. You've got different sizes on each end, a couple of common sized units, and then we've got the ability to change our bits on the other end of this particular one, and then it rolls away just to prove it can do it. But what's nice about these is you can take one tool with you and you can cover a variety of different needs within your project. Whether you need a screwdriver, or if you need a 1/4-inch driver, you may need a Phillips, and then you might need the 1/4-inch standard, whatever it is. You've got a lot of flexibility. Now, typically these can run anywhere from, if you find them on sale, you can find one maybe $15, and I think I might have paid up to like $30 for some of these over time. But when you look at what they can do and how they're built and such, I mean, they're very strong, durable. Really about the only thing that these can't do that a person might do with, say, a standard screwdriver is to do some light prying. You really can't do much of that with these because it's just not designed to get in there and do any kind of little prying. It's not something I would recommend because there's pry bars for that, which work much better. But we all know that in a pinch, our screwdrivers have become small pry bars. Other than that, these are just great tools that can really be the kind of go-to when you're needing to have something for your little project. So I just wanted to throw that out there because there's sometimes people aren't even aware that these exist. And the functionality, again, that you can have a variety of driver sizes on this one. You can go from that 1/4-inch, and then they have your 5/16 in here, and they probably have on the other side a 3/8 in there, whatever they are. But there's a variety of different driver sizes and different heads that you can have on here, all in one tool, and it's not taking up a ton of space on your work belt. This is John Young. I'll put links in the description below so you can go check out a couple of different options that I would recommend. Thanks for watching.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.